Hi folks, a lot of us recognize what this is a 10mm socket. And if you have like a motorcycle, quad, dirt bike, I don't know why these 10mm are the most popular socket to go missing. You get lost, you drop them. So we have kind of a remedy today. The other day on my YouTube feed, going on YouTube, something popped up about a 8-piece 10mm socket set. So first of all, I want to give a shout out to Client Graphics for making his video and pointing me in the direction of the set, which I didn't even know existed. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to O'Reilly Auto Parts. Let me explain the story with this. The socket set I'm going to show you is from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's an 8-piece set, and it's made by Powertourque. And all the pieces inside the kit are 10mm. And it comes on a blister card. Now this is Sunday, Mother's Day, when I seen this. And I looked online, and I couldn't order this set anywhere. No eBay, no Amazon, nowhere. O'Reilly Auto Parts was the only one that had this set. So I wound up sending their customer service an email on a Sunday, and Sunday night, if it's okay, I'll give her a shout out. A lady named Carol from their customer service got back to me, and she explained to me I can order it because the problem was I wouldn't let me put it in my cart to order it. And the other fact is I live on Long Island, hence my YouTube channel name. I live on Long Island, and there are no O'Reilly Auto Parts around by me. The nearest one to me is in New London, Connecticut, across the Sound. And I'm not driving all the way there for a set. So I wanted to order it. So anyway, I send their customer service email, and that night she gets back to me and she explains that, I can order it, instead of picking it up at a store, I can ship it to my house. So I'm like, okay. So I do the step sheet. It's easy. I choose New London as my store. I put in my vehicle. So I put in my GMC Sierra pickup truck as my vehicle. And then the item gets highlighted. So you add it to your cart, and you can either pick it up in the store or ship it to your house. Obviously, I'm going to ship it to my house. So now this is a Sunday night. So with everything together, with tax and everything, it came out to $24. Now, I ordered this on a Sunday night. Now, it is Tuesday the 14th, 2 days later. And I was in no rush for this thing, nothing. And no rush for nothing. And it showed up this morning. And even though it's on a blister card, it came in this box. It's in a box. So I'm like, okay. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. And I'll tell you, I wish over by me, we don't have O'Reilly Auto Parts. We have a lot of AutoZones and Advanced Autos and a couple of Nappers. And I'll tell you, I might be O'Reilly Auto Parts customer for life now. I'm very happy. So, my packing slip. I'm not going to go over that. Nice tissue paper. Plenty of tissue paper. Packed. And what else we got? I'm gonna get a packing slip. Okay, no packing slip. Okay, no packing slip. That's not a big deal. But this is what they sent me. It's this is what I ordered. A Powertourque 8mm, 10mm socket set. And all these in here are 10mm. You have a short, a middle, a long, one on a swivel, another short, another one on a swivel, another one, and you have this very long. This is actually a 10mm socket. That's how long it is. And they you get 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive. 4 of them are 3/8 drive, and 4 of them are 1/4 inch. And you get the little socket rail. So let's open this puppy up. Good old box cutter. And I believe they come with a lifetime warranty, but you know, I don't doesn't bother me. So this is the long 10mm socket. Doesn't feel bad. It's not all the way through. I want to say, oh boy, probably like to this fingertip. That's where the bump stop is. It's kind of hard to see down there. So it doesn't go all the way down here. I guess this is just for length if you're in a tight spot. But I want to say, like, to my finger from here to here, that's how much it goes down. Yeah, the socket rail I don't really care for. Wouldn't need it. But I'll tell you, as everybody, you know, if you have, like I said, dirt bikes and quads and stuff, somehow the 10mm always goes missing. Don't ask me why. I think it's the 10mm socket gnomes. So anyway, it comes on this rail. Comes on this rail. Get that out of the way. Comes on this rail. It's a little cheesy rail. Okay, it's a 1/4 inch. What I happen to have on me right now is my 3/8 100 position Husky ratchet, and I did a review on this in another video. So I want to see how like fits. Like you can see, I don't know if you can see. It's got little for the D10 still like little indentations on all 4 sides. I don't know if you can really see. The GoPro might make it hard to see. So let's see. It's on the socket. It's on there. Not bad. Yeah, she's on there. Okay. 3/8 swivel. Same thing with the detents. Okay. Okay, not bad. So this is the little 10mm 8-piece set, which is actually kind of, I didn't even know this existed. This is kind of funny, but you know, it's pretty cool if you think about it. It's actually not a bad idea. It's actually, I don't know why other makers like Craftsman, Cobalt, whatever, don't come up with this. You know, like I said, 10mm, you're always losing them, you know? So now I have more 10mm sockets than I know what to do and shake a stick at. So that's the set. Like I said, the railing I don't really care for, but I just figured I'd share this quick video with you. And once again, I want to thank Client Graphics for pointing me in this direction of the set that I didn't even know existed. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And again, O'Reilly Auto Parts. I mean, I paid for the shipping with tax and everything. It was like $24. I think this set was like $15. Excuse me. So I think the shipping was only like $5 and change, and it came to my house in 2 days. And I didn't I wasn't in a rush for this, but I was very surprised how fast they shipped it. So once again, I'd like to give a shout out to O'Reilly Auto Parts. So like I said, they're probably gonna have a new customer for life, because I'm very happy. Even with the customer service answering my questions on a Sunday night, that's awesome. I mean, I know the day and age of computers, but answering people's questions on a Sunday night, that's awesome. All right, folks. So that's my little quick unboxing, real quick, of this is made by Powertourque. It's item number GM8465. It's an 8-piece 10mm socket set. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about that. There you go, you can see that. Okay, Like I said, I paid about 15 bucks, and everything with shipping and tax was like 24 and change. So, very happy with that. So, till the next video. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. All right. Bye. Also, too, I just want to do a little quick add-on. It says it has a lifetime replacement. If this product is defective in material or workmanship, Test Right Products Corporation reserves the right to repair or replace. For parts or service, you're supposed to call the 800 number. So I guess you can't go into O'Reilly's and replace this. I guess you have to call this 800 number that's on the back of the card. But like I said, it's made in China too. I'm sorry about that. It's made in China. But I don't know, for 24 bucks and change, you lose it. You lose one. Big deal, you know. Like I said, I'll have more 10mm sockets to last me a lifetime. Okay. Thank you.